Assalamu alaikum, you are listening to Malik Shahzaid. As logo is the most important thing for any company, people pay a lot of money for creating logo. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how can you create an attractive logo in just 5 minutes. First of all, open this website. You can find the link in description of this video. As different people have different companies, you can see different categories on this website like education, food or technology. Choose the field related to your company. Select the logo design you like most. Change company name. You can customize logo, like you can add new text, shape, icon and logo. You can also change font, text size, color and structure of the design as well. Now using this website, you can create an attractive logo within just 5 minutes. Thumbs up for the video and don't forget to subscribe.